Hello, dear students. So, today we will revise our next topic, that is competition in various sports at national and international level. There are number of sporting events and games for which competitions are held at both national and international level. The competitions for various sports and games at national levels as well as international level are: first, we will discuss about the athletic competition at national and international level. Athletics. National Athletic Championship. This championship is organized by Athletics Federation of India every year at different venues in India. Next is World Athletic Championship. It is also called World Cup for Athletics. This championship is organized by International Association of Athletic Federation IAAF. Next, Interstate Athletic Championship. This championship is organized by the Athletics Federation of India. The athletes from various states athletic association affiliated to Athletic Federation of India participated in this championship. Next is Asian Games. Although many games are organized in Asian Games, but athletics is considered as the main competition. These games are organized after every 4 years by any one country of Asia. The host country is decided by the Asian Game Federation. The first Asian Games Federation held in New Delhi in 1951. Next is Olympic Games. The athletic competitions are the main attraction of Olympic Games. The International Olympic Committee decides the venue of the next Olympic Games. These games are organized after every 4 years. Only 3 times, that is in 1916, in 1940 and in 1944, these games were not held due to world wars. Otherwise, every after 4 years, the Olympic Games were organized. National School Games. In National School Games, athletic competition is also considered as a main competition. These games are organized annually by the School Games Federation of India. These games are organized for school going children of various states and union territories of India. Next is State Athletic Championship. State Athletic Championship are organized in various states in which the athletes of the state take part. The State Athletic Association is responsible for organizing this championship. This championship is also organized every year. Next is Inter University Athletic Championship. This championship is also organized every year for the students of different universities of India. It is a national level competition of athletics. Next is European Cup, and now I will tell you some other competitions which are related to athletics. European Cup, Jisu Owens Trophy, Charminar Trophy, World Marathon Cup, Marshall Tito Trophy, Junior National Athletic Championships, Federation Cup, World Indoor Championships, World Cross Country Championships, World Race Walking Cup, Continental Cup, World Road Running Championships. So these are the competitions or different level of competitions at national and international level of athletics. Now we will discuss about basketball. European Cup, America Cup, Asia Cup, Services Trophy, Prince Basalat Jha Trophy, National for Women. This trophy is for national competition is for women. BC Gupta Trophy, Federation Cup, Bangalore Blues Cup, C. Munni Swami Cup, All India Ramu Memorial Trophy, World Cup, Olympic Games, Junior National Basketball Championship, Sub Junior National Basketball Championship, William Jones Cup, S. M. Arjun Raja Trophy. The brief description of some tournaments are Olympic Games. In Olympic Games, the basketball games was organized since 1932. Then basketball championship is being held at every summer season. Asian Games, The basketball championship is being held in Asia from 1940s as a part of these games. National Basketball Championship. This is a national championship of basketball for men and women. The first National Basketball Championship was held at Bangalore in 1952. It was organized by Basketball Federation of India. Next is Prince Balasta Jha Trophy. It is a national championship of basketball for women. Now this is all about the national and international competitions of basketball. Now we will discuss about badminton. Thomas Cup, World Team for men, Uber Cup for women, Wills World Cup, European Cup, Konica Cup, Yonex Cup, Olympic Challenge Cup, national level for women, Narang Cup, national junior level for men, Shafi Qureshi Cup, national junior level for women, Mayors Cup, 555 World Cup, China Cup, Olympic Games in cooperation with IOC, World Junior Championship, Sudirman Cup, Super Series Premier, Grand Prix Gold, International Challenge, Senior National Badminton Championships, All England Badminton Championships. Now I will give you some brief explanation of international tournaments. Thomas Cup. Thomas Cup is the international men's championship. This championship was started in 1948. It is held after every 3 years. Now Uber Cup. Uber Cup is the international women's championship. It was started in 1956. This championship is held after every 3 years. All England Championship. This championship was first held in 1899. It was the premier tournament of the world. World Cup. The World Cup tournament was started in 1981. It was started to provide an opportunity to earn more money to the top badminton players. Asian Games. In Asian Games, badminton competition was started in 1962. National Badminton Championship. It is the championship of India for men and women. Interstate Badminton Championship. It is a national level championship in which the state associations of badminton send their teams. So this is all about the badminton. Now we will discuss about the most popular game in India and all over the world is cricket. First is Ashes Cup. This cup is played between Australia and England. It is the test series. Next, World Cup. This is a one-day international competition. It is held after every 4 years. The first World Cup was organized from June 7th in 1975 at Lord's Stadium, England. The first match was played between India and England. In the beginning, this cup was named as Prudential Cup, and later on this cup was named as World Cup Cricket on June 9th, 1979. Since 1999, World Cup, its name has been changed permanently as ICC Trophy. India won the World Cup in 1983. Next is Robinson Barrier Trophy. This is a national level tournament. This trophy is awarded in inter-university cricket tournament. It is held every year. Next is CK Naidu Trophy. CK Naidu Trophy is awarded in the interstate schools cricket tournament. Next is Ranji Trophy. The Ranji Trophy was launched at the Cricket Championship of India at the meeting of the Board of Control for Cricket in India in July 1934. The first Ranji Trophy fixtures took place in 1934 to 1935 with Bombay walking away with the top honour. Next is Irani Trophy. The Irani Trophy was conceived during the 1959 to 1960 season to commemorate the 25th years of the Ranji Trophy Championship. The tournament was named after the late Z.R. Irani, who was associated with the Board of Control for Cricket in India since its inception in 1928. Next is Duleep Trophy. The Duleep Trophy, named after Kumar Shri Duleep Singh Ji, was launched by the BCCI to expose more competition in the Indian cricket arena. The tournament was proposed to help the national selectors in assessing the form of the cricketers. Next is Deodhar Trophy. The Deodhar Trophy was started in the year 1973-74 as a one-day equivalent of the Ranji tournament. It is named after the grand old man of Indian cricket, the late Professor D. Deodhar. It is played between the 5 Indian cricket zones as North, South, East, West and Central Zone. Challenger Trophy. Next trophy is Challenger Trophy. The Challenger Trophy begins in India in 1994-95. In 1998-99, it was renamed as NKP Slave Challenger Trophy in honor to NKP Slave, the person who was instrumental in bringing the World Cup to the country in 1987. It is played between the India national team along with 2 other teams, India A and India B, consisting the most promising India cricketers at domestic level. Next is Indian Premier League, IPL. IPL is the latest and one of the major revolution in Indian cricket. The BCCI runs the 2020 format tournament in India. This tournament was started in 2008 after the first T20 World Cup in which India was the champion. It provides opportunity for young talents to play and learn with the top most international players of the world. So this is all about the tournaments which are related to cricket. Now we will discuss about football. FIFA Cup. This cup is organized by Federation of International Football Association. It was established on May 21 in 1904. Durand Cup. It is the first tournament of football in India. This cup was started in 1888. DCM Football Tournament. This tournament was started in 1945 for the DCM Trophy. Federation Cup. Next is Federation Cup. This tournament was started in 1977. Next is Suproto Cup. It is an inter-school tournament of football. Next is Begum Hazrat Mahal Cup. It is a national level tournament for women. Rajiv Gandhi Gold Cup. Next tournament is Rajiv Gandhi Gold Cup. It is a national level tournament of football for the boys below 21 years. Next is Santosh Trophy. It is a national level football tournament of India. Next is Olympic Games. Football was included in Olympic Games in 1908. Since then, football competition has become a part of these games. So this is all about the tournaments, national or international, in football. Now we will discuss about hockey. As you already know, hockey is our national game. Aga Khan Cup. First tournament is Aga Khan Cup. This tournament is held in Mumbai. Brington Cup. This tournament is held in Kolkata. It was started in 1895 in Kolkata. Lady Ratan Tata Trophy. Next trophy is Lady Ratan Tata Trophy. Lady Ratan Tata Trophy is a national level tournament of hockey for women. Ranga Swami Cup. Next tournament is Ranga Swami Cup. It is a national hockey championship of India. It was started in 1928. Next tournament is Champions Trophy. It is an international tournament of hockey for men and women. In this tournament, only best 6 teams can participate. For starting this tournament, the credit goes to Pakistan. The first Champions Trophy was held in Lahore, Pakistan in 1978. Next trophy is Bombay Gold Cup. It is a national level tournament of hockey. Next tournament is World Cup. The World Cup for men was started in 1971 and for women it was started in 1974. Now we will discuss some other tournaments, that is Asian Ajlan Shah Cup. It is an international tournament for hockey. Next tournament is Asian Hockey Federation Cup. Asian Hockey Federation Cup is an international tournament of hockey for girls under 19 age. So this is all about hockey. Now we will discuss about swimming. Olympic Swimming Championship, National Swimming Championship, World Cup Swimming Championship, All India Inter-University Swimming Championship, Asian Games Swimming Championship, Commonwealth Games, National Swimming Competition Sub-Junior, National School Games, Olympic Games, SAF Games, and some of the tournaments descriptions are: first is Olympic Swimming Championship. The Olympic Swimming Championship is held after every 4 years. This championship for men was started in 1896 in Athens Olympics, whereas Olympics Swimming Championship for women was included in Olympic Games in 1912. Next is Asian Games Swimming Championship. This championship is also held after every 4 years for men and women. Swimming was introduced in these games in 1951, which were held in New Delhi. World Cup Swimming Championship. This championship is also organized for men and women. The first World Cup Swimming Championship was held in 1973. National Swimming Championship. National Swimming Championship for men and women was started in 1944. The first National Swimming Championship was held in Bombay. This championship is not being organized by regular interval. So this is all about swimming. Now we will discuss about tennis. National Lawn Tennis Championship, All India Inter-University Tennis Championship, National Grass Court Tennis, Nehru Cup Tennis, India Federation Cup, Talent Series, Championship Series, National Series, All England Championship, Wimbledon, US Open, Australian Open, Federation Open, Davis Cup for men, Olympic Tennis Championship, Asian Tennis Championship, Hall of Fame Tennis Tournament, French Open Tennis Tournament, Japan Open, Lipton Tennis, Home Trust Tennis, Adidas International Tennis, Queen's Cup, Swiss Open, Italian Open, Brazil Open, Dubai Open, Paris Open. Volvo Tennis Cup, Henken Trophy, Family Circles Cup, Canadian Open, Kremlin Cup, Shanghai Cup, CA Trophy, Barcelona Open, Princess Cup, Hong Kong Open, President Cup, Hopman Cup for men and women, Osaka Myers Cup, Rogers Cup, Fed Cup for women, Atlanta Tennis Championship, International Women's Open, All England Championship. This championship is popularly known as Wimbledon competition. This was started in 1877 for men and 1884 for women. Australian Cup. This tournament is held in Australia for women and men. Olympic Tennis, Davis Cup 1900. So this is all about tennis. Now we will discuss about volleyball. National Volleyball Championship, Federation Cup, Grand Championship, Asian Cup, Shivani Cup, Gold Cup, Purnima Trophy, Indian Gold Cup, Super Challenge, Canadian Cup, Italian Open, Hamburg's Open, New Zealand Open, Junior National Volleyball Championship, Canadian Volleyball Championship. So these are the tournaments which are related to volleyball. Some description are National School Games Volleyball Championship. This championship is held every year as a part of National School Games. Purnima Trophy. It is a national volleyball championship for women. World Cup Championship. The first World Cup of volleyball was held in 1949 in Prague. Olympic Volleyball Championship. Volleyball was included in Olympic Games in 1964. Olympic Asian Games. So this is all about volleyball competitions. Now we will revise our last topic of this chapter, that is Khelo India program. It is a hard fact that significance of sports and fitness is one of life's invaluable. The regular practice of sports and games inculcate team spirit, develop strategies and analytic thinking, leadership skill, goal setting and risk taking. As a matter of fact, healthy and fit person make an equally healthy society and strong nation. Owing to this, it is said that sports extremely a valuable component for harmonious development of our nation. During the last few years, we have made a steady progress in the field of games and sports. It is an appropriate time to inspire young talent, provide top level infrastructures as well as apex training level, inculcating of a strong spirit of participation in sports among children will enable team to show their actual potential, and we can fulfill their dreams to be at the top level of the world. Keeping the above points in view, the Khelo India program has been introduced to revive the sports culture in India at the grassroots level by building strong framework for all sports played in our country and establish as a great sporting nation. The program was launched during 2017-18 by Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. To achieve the above objectives, the Khelo India program has introduced the following components. These are playfield development, community coaching development, state level Khelo India centers, annual sports competitions, talent search and development, utilization and creation upgradation of sports infrastructure, support to national, regional, state sports academies, physical fitness of school going children, sports for women, promotion of sports among specially abled person, promotion of rural and indigenous tribal games. Under this program, a high powered committee will identify talented sportsperson in priority sports discipline, and financial assistance of 5 lakh will be granted per annum for 8 years to hone their skills. So this is all about Khelo India program, and we have revised our first chapter. So that's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.